In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Proxy in Brave browser. And as you can see, you just have to go to the full browser settings. Just search it in your Chrome, in your Opera GX browser. Then you have to find the proxy settings in your Opera. So as you can see, just search in the settings proxy and it will reveal, and just click that. And once you click open your computer's proxy settings, you can see use setup script and or use a proxy server. And yeah, I think you know how to use this. And that is just the first method. So the second method is just go to Chrome Web Store and just search for Urban VPN Proxy and just add this extension to your Opera. And once the window appears, just click X and go to your extensions. Just click Opera extension again and just click agree and continue. Once you do that, there you go. You can choose any VPN servers you can try and play.